here's the other elevator here at Macy's at Glendale Town Center here in Indianapolis, Indiana. That's a funny sign right there. Don't let the call buttons fool you, because we have something epic in here. Look at that. This elevator is original to the building.
Why is it 3 floors? Did you see 3 floors?
Bro, the escalators go up to 3. And this elevator gotta go up to 3. Look at that. Up arrow lights up. And it doesn't have a thing. Traction. See, I told you, Ryan, don't let the call buttons fool you.
Don't.
3. Look at that. Notice the button's broken. Yes. Very nice 60s style elevator. Here we 1?
We have a 2, don't we?
Okay, yes. No classic leveling. These are fake light buttons right here. Area 2. Awesome. Found the vintage elevator here. The 60s design. And I guess that will be it.